Segway Project Puma. A fun collaboration between General Motors and Segway has predictably given rise to the Segway scooter with the autonomous driving technology and forward thinking of an electric vehicle. This compact project is about 1/6 the size of an average car and is capable of driving up speeds up to 35 miles per hour for up to 35 miles on a single charge. It has a dual electric in-wheel motor, which is powered by a lithium-ion battery, and utilizes a similar balancing technology as the Segway scooter, with additional stability granted by the second set of wheels. As if this wasn't enough, in the future, the Puma will come with a link to other vehicles of the same design in a bid to prevent collisions. U-Boat Wark Submarine. The U-Boat Wark submarines were designed for easy and safe use. These versatile vehicles could be used for wreck diving operations in the Mediterranean or an exploration dive in the Arctic Sea with equal facility and have the capability of diving up to 3,000 meters underwater while comfortably carrying up to 3 people. Powered by a pressure-tolerant lithium-ion battery system, the U-Boat Wark submarines allow you to explore the most beautiful of Mother Nature's seascapes while reclining comfortably in the safety of your vehicle. It's no puzzle why this submarine is popular amongst underwater researchers and explorers, as well as among deep-sea cinematographers all over the world. Zog Snowblower. The Zog Snowblower is created by Zog Ag Egewell, which is as difficult to pronounce as it is to spell. It is the industry's latest response to the problem of snow clearance on roads. The Zog Snowblower is a high-end machine, offering power and quality as evidenced by its enormous clearance capacities of up to 8,000 tons an hour. This enormous power is provided by the Zog's powerful engines. Its finely tuned hydrostatic wheel and auger drive, as well as a variably adjustable steering and long casting distance, ensures the precise handling and maneuverability. The Zog comes in models uniquely suited for either narrow streets, mountain passes, or airport service areas. As an example, the model Rolba 5000 has maximum clearance speeds of 40 kilometers an hour, while its driving speed hovers around 60 kilometers an hour. It also has a design clearance width, which is 3 meters, while its casting distance extends up to 35 meters. Semi-automatic tire machine. This semi-automatic tire machine was made for emergencies. This efficient device was made by the Tinnigia, a service and transport company in the Buon Matuat city of Dakhla. Born from over a decade of experience in the tire manufacturing and repair industry, the semi-automatic tire machine identified the need for a convenient means of tire changing and rises gloriously when you need tire replacement. It is capable of changing and repairing tires at any remote area and features as a part of a line of modern machinery systems, among which include rescue automobile tires, as well as truck tires, tractors, and many more. Ortomic Harvester. The Ortomic Harvester was designed by Ortomic, a company based in Venice, Italy, which produces a wide range of both electric and diesel engine harvesters. The device in question, the Ortomic 8300 Foglia, is a 2.2-ton behemoth with a 4-meter-long platform which enables the loading of several pallets, as well as the attachment of several systems for the treatment of the product. The Ortomic 8300 Foglia is ideal for use in a variety of soil conditions, ranging from muddy to flat, and its stainless steel frame makes this machine both durable and hygienic, which is ideal for use in the harvesting process. This versatile device comes with a wide range of accessories, among which include the sun canopy, several cleaning systems for the harvest, conveyor belts, rear forklift elevator, water sprayer, among others.